start to the season ever. Is this how you treat your fans? 4-0 it seems. Embarrassing performance. Embarrassing. Humiliation. This is humiliation for you. And we fans have to watch every single season battering, shambolic performance and keep supporting. Because I love this club. We don't deserve such nonsense. We don't deserve such ridiculousness. We have been battered. Some money. Spend some money. Spend some money. This is the money you have. Spend it. Spend the money. The club is paying you grands and grands of money. Grands and grands of pounds. Grands and grands of euros. Not for you to sleep. Not for you to fucking sleep. For you to... Get out. Get out. Twinkle little star. How I wonder how useless and disgraceful you are. Pathetic you are. Fucking disgrace. Fuck off, Benchot. Fuck off. 40 million down the drains, down the garbage. Even my kachada is cleaner than you. The passion, the desire, the ambition, everything disappeared like Harry Potter. Disappeared like Harry Potter. Muggles, Cincinnati Bublabu. Passion, there is no vision, there is no aggression, there is no fucking mindset in this football club. Nothing is there. What the hell is there in this football club? Tell me now. What the hell is there? Where is the law? Huh? Where is the law? None of the players stand up. None of the players. It was like Goku from Dragon Ball Z saying, Kamehameha! Don't play well. Look at they are playing. Play, man! Play! I'm asking you at least to perform. Perform! Disgusting. Fuck off. It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. The mentality of the players needs to be questioned. The passion of humiliating the fans. Season after season after season after season. Sloppiness after sloppiness after sloppiness after sloppiness. All shit show. Rubbish show. Bullshit. This type of bullshit, if it is going on season after season after season, then God save us. God save us this season. God save us this season. Only God can save us this season. All the defenders' wages should be cut. Should be fucking cut after that embarrassing performance. After that embarrassing performance. Rubbish performances after rubbish performance after rubbish performance after rubbish performance. For how long? For how fucking long we are going to tolerate such nonsense, shambolic nonsense? How long? How long, tell me now? How the fucking long? The players, what they were doing? Ringa, roses, pocket full of poses. Husha, husha. We all fall down. Yes, we all fall down. We fell down today. We fell. Dharavi slum kids play better football than how Chelsea Football Club players of Chelsea played today against Bournemouth. I have seen Dharavi slum kids. Because their mentality is do or die. Do or die. Those Dharavi slum kids knows very well that today, if I don't play good football, then I will not get food to eat that night. So they play well and they get the money and they eat with that money. They eat their bread and butter with that money. And that's what is missing with the Chelsea Football Club players. Mindless, shameless, gutless, washboard. But we are there. Stop playing the fool and start playing football decently. Fucking hell this is. This is just not tolerable, not acceptable, unbearable, embarrassing. Stop all this nonsense. Stop all this nonsense. I cannot bear all this shit. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Taking your audience for a bloody grand defend. Is that a top football club who wants to finish in top 4? Is that the way how they defend? Is that the way to defend? Shocking defense, man. Shocking defense. This type of performance is simply not accepted. And the players have to just resign all the wages. Sack all their wages. That's it. For 1 week. Not for 1 week. For 1 month. For 1 month that should be sacked. Same old fucking shit. Fucking shit. Pablo Escobar with the weed has scored the goal for Chelsea. I can't believe it. I just can't. Shambolic. You're horrible. You're incompetent. You're useless. That's it.